Hi guys, it's me Alicia, and y'all, if you're thinking about clicking away off this video, don't. I promise you're gonna love this one because it takes a lot to impress me, but this wig is fire. But anyways, this is actually a newer company. This is XrsBeautyHair.com. I'll link all of their information down below, as well as a coupon code, so check that out. But this is their new Skin Milt Clear Lace Front Wig. It does have that 13 by 6 inches of lace, bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, but the star of the show is their clear lace. As you guys can see, this is the normal typical lace color. This will be your regular brown. This is your transparent lace, which is my absolute I hate it, okay? And this is their new clear milt lace. As you guys can see, just tell me which one is undetectable. That one is it's okay, I can make it work. This one is a heck no. And this one is completely clear. I mean, you can see my veins through it. So leave a comment down below, which is your favorite lace? Which one do you want to try? Because that clear milt, A1, okay? But let's get back to the wig. This is their construction. As you guys can see, it does have the combs on the inside, as well as this elastic band thing, you know. And what I did get is their straight unit. This is 200% density. I believe it's a 16-inch. So yeah, I wanted something perfect for this summer, okay? But this is how their hairline looks. As you guys can see, it's already bleached, it's pre-plucked, and there is that clear lace. But what I'm gonna do right here is just style it to my liking. Of course, you guys don't have to do this. This unit is actually perfect out of the box. Usually I have to wash it, I have to bleach it, I have to tweeze it, I have to do so much. But with this one, you don't have to do this. I'm just whitening up that parting space, and that's it. It's good to go. But what I am going to do, because I do have a smaller head, this unit is big head friendly, I'm just going to go ahead and utilize that elastic band that the unit came with. Of course, you don't need it if your head is larger, but it does help for those of you guys who have smaller heads. But now I'm going to get the wig on. As you guys can see, that is how the hairline looks. I'm just going to use my eyebrow razor to cut off that lace. I like using this method because, as you guys can see, it kind of creates this zigzag thing on its own, so you don't have to go and create zigzags, you know, yourself. The razor does it for you, and as you guys can see, that's gonna really help with disguising the lace. I'm not going to use any adhesives. I'm not going to use the ball cap method. I'm not going to use any glues. I'm not going to use got to be. I'm just going to put the wig on as is, and we're going to see how it works, because I know a lot of you guys out there are beginners, so this is really truly going to help you out. But right here, I am using a little bit of concealer just to place it in that parting space, because like I said, I didn't do the ball cap method. I just had my stocking cap on the way most of us wear it. You know, it might slip back, so I just placed a little concealer so that you cannot see the demarcation between my hair and the stocking cap, and that really helps. But now I'm just going to take my hot comb and some foaming wrap mousse to kind of get the wig to, you know, lay and look nice and everything. And then I'm going to come back and use my flat iron and get the hair nice and straight, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my hair is nice and laid, this is how it looks. Y'all, just look at that hairline. Oh my God, like, this is so revolutionary. It's so innovative. It's a lifesaver, I promise you guys. Like, because some of you guys say, oh, no one has time to do all that. Well, now you don't, because, you know, they did it for you. But guys, look at the bleached knots. You don't have to bleach your knots. You just look at it. You can part the wig anywhere you like. 13 inches ear to ear, 6 inches back, and you're good. Look at that. I'm not lying, y'all. Like, read the reviews yourself. Like, this wig is A1, all right? So this is how the 16-inch looks on me. It just goes like right beneath my chest. Here are the angles, the back. I may have missed a section right there, but it's all good. But yeah, guys, I love this hair, and there's not a lot of things that I love, but this hair is nice, okay? It has body, it has movement, it's soft, it's not too silky. Y'all, check this company out. This is XrsBeautyHair.com. Let me know what you guys think of it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.